mandatory student protocol. Please follow carefully. If the final bell has already rung, but you are still in the school, stay calm. Do not run. Do not enter empty classrooms. Do not answer anyone calling your name. The teachers have already left. Anyone still here is not supposed to be. If you see a teacher, do not speak. Do not make eye contact. This is not your teacher. Find the main exit. If it's locked, go to room 7. Knock 3 times. Wait exactly 10 seconds. If the door does not open, sit down. Close your eyes. Wait until morning. End of transmission.